نعيش مع حالنا بحالنا، ما حدا بيقربنا.
ما فهمنا والو.
Everything is exposed. The sun is beating down directly on you, and it's just unbearable. And many people take medication here, and they can't sustain themselves outside for any length of time.
Trees are life. The role they play in our ecosystem can't be overstated.
Having a safe place to sleep at night is, right now, is like a godsend.
Over 6% of our national population are farmers, subsistence farmers. With the effects of climate change means it rains when it shouldn't, and it doesn't rain when it should, and people's crops fail. And because their livelihoods disappear, they flock to the city looking for a better life. We don't have the infrastructure to absorb those people. So what you see happening is massive deforestation of our hillsides.
After the rain or any time we have any kind of storm, the backyard completely floods.
The poor are definitely disproportionately impacted.
Today, you have a much higher chance of being born in a low-income country or low-middle-income countries. About 2/3 of all children born today are born in low and lower middle-income countries. And these are exactly those regions which are hardest hit by climate change.
And they play the least role in many ways in contributing to this crisis.